Welcome to Come, See, Conquer. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a pot. Draw a big C. Rotate the copy upside down and draw another C beside it. Now, after doing this you will see a complete circle. After drawing the circle, rub a small section of the circle. Then draw a medium-sized C on top of the open right hand. Rotate the copy upside down and draw another medium-sized C, starting from the open right end. Now after doing this the neck of the pot will be completed. It will look like this. Rotate the copy again, join the 2C with a curved line. After joining the neck it'll look like this. Draw another curved line to complete the neck. Now, to color it neatly, first take a black crayon and border the outline so that the color doesn't come out of the lines. Now, fill up the inside of the pot with brown color. Viola. Your pot is ready. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.